Hi, so here in this video we are going to learn how to use or apply gradient color in Adobe InDesign. So simply here I will show you how to apply gradients on shape, text or stroke, and also I will share with you how to adjust or manage gradient properties in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started. So just I am taking rectangle tool from toolbar and creating a rectangle. Okay, so as you can see there are no fill, and so just I want to add gradient on this shape. Okay, so for applying gradients we can take gradient tool, and which shortcut keys you see, so that also can be used for this tool option. And now simply have to click on this tool and drag across on your shape. Now you can see gradient has been applied. Okay, so another way of applying gradient, just I am doing Ctrl Z, and you can also apply gradient from here. Simply have to click here. Also you can use dot. Okay, so gradient will be applied. So this is quite simple way for applying gradient. Now I will show you how you can adjust or manage gradient properties. So this is something very important to know, adjusting or managing or changing gradient color or properties. So these are things also important. So for gradient properties, simply have to click on Windows, and here you can find the option of color, in which you have to click on gradient. Okay, now you can see here gradient panel has been come. Okay, and also open the color panel. Okay, you can also use F6 for this panel. Okay, now this is our gradient. Simply you can see here currently it's black and white gradient has been applied. So for change the color, simply you can click here, and also you can change the color from here, something like this, which color you want. Okay, and you can manage the color, something like this. Okay, so hope you got understand how to apply gradient and change the color. Okay, apart from this, if you want currently it's linear gradient, and if you want to change it to radial, so simply you can also do radial from here, something like this. Okay, even though currently it's to color gradient, if you want to add more color in this gradient, so simply you can click here and add another color which that you want. Okay, something like this. So but I will recommend keep it simple, just two colors is enough. Okay, and for managing or adjusting, you can simply use gradient tool from here, and you can simply click and drag from any side, and you can see the how it's coming perfect result. So you can click and drag and find the perfect result as you want your gradient color. So it's totally up to you. Okay, even though you can adjust the gradient placement from here or something like this. Okay, so hope you got understand till now. Apart from this, you can also do the reverse gradient from here. Simply have to click here, you can see our gradient got reversed. Okay, so it was quite easy for applying gradient. Also, if you want to add gradient on your stroke, so currently you can see at top it's coming filled. So if you want to also add gradient on the stroke, simply have to click on stroke and just click the gradient. Something like this. You can see on our stroke gradient color has been applied, and just I'm doing linear so that we can see here the result. So you can see on stroke also gradient has been applied. So similarly, you can also apply the gradient on text. So for writing text, simply I'm taking type tool from here. Now you can see the text. So for applying gradient on this text, simply have to click here and just click on your gradient. You can see gradient color has been also applied on your text. And if you want to add color from switches on the gradient, simply have to click on your shape, and you can click and drag the color, which color you want on your gradient, and on your gradient panel. You can see the color has been come here in this gradient. Color has been added in the gradient. Okay, you can also add new color on the gradient. So it was quite simple for applying gradient on shape, text or stroke. So hope you got understand applying gradient on text, shape or stroke. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.